Hello and welcome to this demonstration of Strangle selling. Today we are going to demonstrate a utility through which we can fire various option strategies. The utility fires all legs simultaneously and places SLM orders instantly on each leg. Using this tool, we can fire various option strategies. Some of them are as follows. Starting off with the short strangle strategy. The short strangle strategy is a two-leg strategy which has different strike prices and a same expiry date. We have mentioned the code start time as 0 hours and end time as 15:15 hours. This means that at 15:15 all the open positions will get squared off automatically by the program. Next up, we have the short straddle. The short straddle is very similar to the short strangle. Here, the only difference being that both the call and the put strikes are similar. All the rest remains common for both strangle and straddle. Now, we move ahead to the four-leg strategy called the iron condor. Here, we buy hedges to protect our short positions. We are configuring 4 legs over here. In an iron condor, the strike prices remains different for put and call strikes. As you can see, here we have two different strike prices for two different positions. The start time and the end time remains the same. Another important four-leg strategy is the butterfly strategy. The butterfly strategy is very similar to the iron condor strategy. The only difference here is that the middle strikes remains same and hence it seems to have two wings. As you can see, the middle two strikes remain the same and hence the name butterfly is justified. Now we have another special kind of a strategy which is called the calendar strategy. The calendar strategy, as the name suggests, is beneficial for an investor by taking shortening near strike and going long for far strike. One can notice that here the legs have two different expiries, whereas the strike price remains the same. Another variant of the calendar strategy is the diagonal calendar strategy. The diagonal calendar strategy is very similar to the calendar strategy, the only difference being that there are two different strike prices. Now, we shall demonstrate how to place a strangle using this tool. In the Excel sheet, we have defined entry time as 10 a.m. The strikes are 200 points wide with 20% stop loss. We are using Alice Blue as our broker. Once we run the code on the given information, the entire order is reflected in the broker's page. However, we will have to wait until 10 a.m. in order for the execution of the trade to take place. Now, let us move to the broker's page to have a real-time view of how the execution takes place. This is the page where we can click on the orders and have an overview of the pending orders, the completed orders, and the total number of trades that takes place during the day. The page also gives us a real-time fluctuation of the indices as well as the stocks in the market. As soon as the clock strikes 10, we can see that our short strangle has been placed. The order is completed and the SLM of the orders are also placed correspondingly. We can now sit back and relax as our SLM orders are placed and will be squared off at 15:15. Enjoy your algo trading with Fox Trading Solutions. The details for the same are in the description box. Thank you.